What you believe was the most difficult part of becoming a real estate investor?
Um, Getting to the point where I was able to leverage other people's time and other people's skills. As investors, as entrepreneurs, we think we can do everything. No, we know we can do everything. I can learn this, I can do that, I can manage it all. When I was able to find a bookkeeper to keep my books, especially when we were getting multiple properties to flip, and when I was able to find a transaction coordinator to help me with paperwork as a real estate agent, once I got to that level, you need to find people that you can trust, that have the same philosophies as you do. Personally, my philosophy is lead with service. When I talk to people about being an agent, a career agent, or a lifestyle agent, I'm a lifestyle agent. This is me. This is all of me. I absolutely enjoy what I do. Um, there's no such thing as burnout for me because I sincerely am passionate about it. And I think people really get that when you start talking to them. Those are the people I want to work with too. Those are the people I surround myself with. Whether you're a loan officer, an insurance agent, contractor, like these are people all the time. We're in a very important business. Houses, your home is very important. Your investments are important. They're what are feeding your dreams and your goals for your family. So when I do this, it's because like I'm all in and I want to be around people that are all in.
Let me ask you this. When you started in the real estate industry, it was completely different, but there were real estate investments already. But what's different from before and now? Like, what's the difference right now? What are the opportunities, and where do you find the opportunities to find these, gold nuggets
Yeah.
properties?
So there are some differences between then and now, um, namely what you can buy an investment property for. But um, the market is always changing. Now, I can run comps at the beginning of flipping a house. I can run comps at the middle. And what I'm talking about with comps are comparative analysis of houses around their same beds, baths, square footage, year built, things like that. So I'm looking at all these houses around that are just selling. And as we're flipping a house, we buy it, we renovate it, and we sell it. Each time I pull them, they're different. And I don't mean completely different, they're just slightly different, but those slight differences can make a big difference in our scope of work. And, our plans on type of appliances, even. Like, I don't want to think about that. I just want to pull comps and tell you this is what the market is saying. So when people ask me, Serena, what kind of investment should I invest in? Well, how much time do you have to invest in it? What kind of cash on cash return do you want to get? What's more important to you, cash flow or appreciation? There's a lot of different things that go into it. And what I do is I very much specialize into what you're looking for. You want to narrow down what you're looking for. And then I want to show you what this actually looks like in this market. Because a lot of people, when they take a class, they'll give you the numbers. And you'll run the numbers and you're like, oh my God, this is perfect. But it might not look like grandma's house. Like you were just thinking of something that was going to just need paint, not very much rehab. Um, and then maybe the school district's not as great. So maybe it won't, days on market will be like 85 versus 15. So these are things that I help you look at and narrow down when you're looking at investment properties. You mentioned the wholesaling or the subject twos. These are a little bit more creative when it comes to investments. And there's a very specific person that you're looking for when you're looking for a seller. They're a little bit more motivated. They don't really care about how much they're going to get, or they have a time frame. They have to get rid of this. So those could be more appropriate for that. Other times, if they need the money, they don't care how long it takes. Maybe there's something else that's more appropriate. Maybe lease options or something like that can be more suitable. So when we're looking for deals, we're looking for people and we're looking for situations. And those do stay consistent, but we will be seeing different fluctuations in the market of what we're going to see coming.